Hello, my name is Anthony. I am going to be looking at this website because a client contacted me and wants to redesign the site. They just purchased this business, this salon and spa, and they're going to be changing the name from Salon Phoenix to Downtown Salon and Spa. So they would like to update their website, which I'm glad that they are. They also want to forward this website because of the already existing clientele that goes to this website. They want to forward this site to their new website, which we haven't chosen yet. But I did want to do an analysis of this site so I can give them some feedback on what to do with the new site, what to possibly do with this site. So let's see what we have here. Looks like there's some issues with this site already. Looks like there's an image up in the right that is being pushed out of the container. Also looks like there is some color that doesn't consistently go down the page. I don't know if they wanted it like this or not. I can't imagine that they did. It also looks like the body content is centered. And again, I don't know if the person that put this together wanted it like that or not. But as I scroll down, it looks like the footer is in a strange area. I can't imagine they wanted it there. And it looks like it was put together through GoDaddy.com's website tonight. So this is a template website through GoDaddy. I personally really like GoDaddy. I have a lot of my domain names through them. Just curious. This is Internet Explorer. Curious to see if this is consistent. This look is consistent in another browser. So let's see. Okay, so Firefox. It looks like, oh, the image and there's the image. The image that was pushing out to the right in Internet Explorer is now right here. So I'm assuming that's where it's supposed to be. The content is still centered, so I'm starting to believe maybe that's what they wanted. The nav bar is in a different location. Well, same area, but in Internet Explorer it's popped up into the image. So it looks like Firefox is holding the design a lot better than Internet Explorer. Let's go back to Explorer. Let's visit some of these links here. So services. Okay, so we're consistently having issues with layout. With the image, the nav, color, and let's go back and see if the content is still centered throughout. Services. Okay, so it looks like the content's still centered. As you can see, the footer is supposed to be inside the container. If we look at it on this one, color doesn't seem to be continuing down the page, so that's why it looks like it's in the right area, but because of the color you can't really see it and it doesn't look like it's in the right area. So I'm just going to go through a bunch of these other links and see. Wait a minute, services. So I clicked on services. Alright, so services, and then they drop down here. Okay. Well, ideally, what you would like is if you clicked on, say we're at the home page, and you clicked on services, all these services would list underneath the services link. Where here it's not, it's dropping them on the bottom of the page. Okay, so let's go through these services. Hair services. Ooh. Okay. So we got a scroll bar inside a scroll bar. So let's see why this is doing this. Okay, so inside of this container, you can actually scroll left and right and up and down. So let's see. Well, there's not much content to scroll up and down, so there's really no need for this at all. Just the functionality isn't needed and definitely doesn't look good. Okay, so what happened? All right, so the navigation is a little messed up as well. So if I click on services and then hair services, you'll notice that we have products, about us, policies, contact us. If I click on hair services, okay, we lose all the rest of that stuff. But it does place the secondary navigation underneath the correct header nav, which is the services, but I can't get to the rest of those. Let's go back to the home page. Let's see if that happens in Firefox. So I'm gonna, let's see. Yep, that works. It definitely does the same thing. You'll see there's a different look on this one. There's you don't see the scroll bar inside here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we could scroll left and right. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna let the client know about that. Let's go to products. Okay, products pulls up and doesn't have any secondary navigation. Scroll down. This is Firefox still. Okay, it stays pretty consistent with what I think they wanted it to look like. Let's go to Internet Explorer, go to products. Still have the issue with the color and the image and the navbar pushing up into the image. And let's go to About Us. Okay, now we have the content, the text, justified to the left. So this is not centered like the rest of the pages. And now we have some layout issues here. Okay, policies. Again, we have the text aligned to the left. Contact. Okay. Well, it looks like let's go back to Firefox and see if we have the left alignment or center alignment. Oh, we got the left alignment. Okay, so there's a lot of issues with this website. I'm glad they contacted me. So what I'm going to be doing is updating them on what I see here. I'm also going to redesign the look of this site. I'm also going to program the site in CSS so we hopefully will not have these issues where in one web browser you see it one way and in another web browser you see it a different way. And you can tell in this web browser, Internet Explorer, that they did not want their navbar to be pushing up into the image of their header, and they did not want this image being pushed out to the right. So as soon as I complete my analysis, update my client, and have their site designed and uploaded, I will post another video with the new website so everybody can see.